Alright, ito pag-usapan na natin na naman ang pagbabalik ni Meow Meow, Meow Meow. Nasuspindi ulit mga kakabsat. Nasuspindi na naman ng 60 days. Nako po, wala nang kadala-dala talaga si Leonardo. House Solon voted on the recommendation to suspend Kiko Barsaga for another 60 days. Ang nag in favor 238 congressman. Sino yung mga against? Parehas, the same people, 10 sila. Sino nag-abstain? 9. Kahit magsama yung against at abstain, wala pa din. O ano ka ngayon? Suspendidong muli ng 60 days na araw si Cavite 4th District Kiko Barsaga matapos bigong dumalo sa pandinig ng House Committee on Ethics and Privilege para sagutin ang mga aligasyon laban sa kanya. Tingnan ang comment section sa buong ulat. Pero ano yun mo sa to? Pakinggan na lang natin yung mismong explanation ni Congressman Garin. Ikaw natin yung Garin. Ito to. Pakinggan natin ito. ABS-CBN, News 5. Okay lang to. Pasok to. Pwede to. Alright.
Voted yes, but with a heavy heart. Because I have tried several times with extreme patience helping the son of our former colleague, Congressman P.D. Barsaga. Because as a mother, as a member of this august body, I felt before that there was hope in making him understand that disorderly behavior and conduct has no place in governance.
Aray.
However, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, his repeated wanton disrespect of facts, disrespect to the institution, and his habitual lies.
Habitual lies. Naging hobby niya na magsinungaling.
Fake news.
Fake news.
And fantasy to keep on producing distorted facts.
Fantasy for distorted facts. Kamote.
Has led to confusion and chaos, something that the Filipino people does not deserve. Parliamentary procedures and behavior has to be observed. And mind you, Madam Speaker, it is not contained in the committee report. But during his suspension, yours truly, despite the extreme understanding that I have exercised for Congressman Kiko, the newly suspended Kiko Barsaga, I, myself, has been a victim of his fantasy and habitual lies and disregard
Agoy.
of facts and truth. Just very recently, the good vice mayor of the municipality of Dueñas, who is a very good friend of Congressman Ferj Biron, died due to accidental firing. I do not know her that much. I haven't had the opportunity to be with her and to work with her. But I empathize with the pain that the family has to suffer. But that pain was aggravated.
Why?
When Kiko Barsaga
Posted.
delivered a speech in a podium and made a circus out of the death.
Ay mo, tragis, gumawa na naman ng circus. Ayan ang problema, mga kakabsat eh. Mahalaga naman. Oo, mga kakabsat. Iba talaga, Sir Leonardo. Wala tayong magagawa, mga kakabsat. Talagang may sayad na rin talaga, no? Mana-mana lang silang lahat. Putragis. O, sige tuloy.
Of former Vice Mayor Lamasan, makatarungan bang paglaruan natin ang hinanakit ng isang pamilya? Makatarungan bang gamitin natin ang ating posisyon para gawing laro ang pagmanipula ng isip ng ating mga kababayan?
Ay, dyan sila magaling. Dyan sila magaling. Sila daw ang boses ng kabataan. Tragis, pinagtatawanan nga sila eh. Tragis, ito na mga future senators. Anak ng kamote. God bless Philippines talaga, mga kabsat.
Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, it pains me that in fact, it's not even extension of suspension because his acts is already tantamount to expulsion.
Yun, expel nyo na. Pinagbigyan pa.
Ang totoo niyan, marami lang sa atin ang naaawa sa kanya. At marami ang naririnig kong nagsasabing, nakakahiya. But Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, hindi hiya ang nararamdaman ko. Ang nararamdaman ko ay awa. Bilang isang doktor, bilang isang nanay, naiintindihan ko that there might be personal circumstances surrounding the events that are eventually unfolding. It's time for Kiko Barsaga to reflect and deeply look into personal matters while he is on suspension. Nakakaawa, hindi lamang siya, dahil ang stress ng panggobyerno ay dapat siniseryoso, pero mas nakakaawa ang kanyang distrito na kailangan ng representante.
Kaya nga, no? Biro nyo, 4 months, distrito ng Cavite. Wala kayong congressman, suspendido. Kawa-awa naman kayo. Yan ang binoto nyo.
That, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, with the indulgence of our colleague, the Honorable Kiko Barsaga, he would understand that our action is because we are a Filipino and our government deserves the service that we have to generate and deliver. Thank you. I voted yes.
O, di ba? Agree ba kayo dito sa sasabi ni Congressman Garin, mga kakabsat? Lenida Nagrillo, Sarah Force family, shout out. O, sino mga bagay? May mga bagong pasok pa tayo dyan na iba. O, yan. Shout out po and good evening mga kakabsat. Naka po mga kakabsat na malungkot. Biro nyo? Na basura. Yung impeachment ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kanina. Malungkot na mga DDS. Na-extend ng another 60 days. Si Kiko Barsaga. Malungkot. Strike 3 doon sa Senado. Akala nila mapapalitan si Soto. Hindi nangyari. Ano nangyari? It's a prank. Tragis sa Leonardo. Awanin. Wala na talaga. Jenny Ramos, nasmakdan. Nako po. O, yan. Sino pang susunod? Nako, mukhang yung isa isusunod. Isa pang magiging problema nila. Anong sinabi ni Sandro Marcos? No work, no pay. Isinusulong ni Representative Majority Leader Sandro Marcos. Diba? Good evening, Nelly. Shout out. Kaya nako po, malaki problema. Malaki po problemahin nila. Hindi na sila sa tao. Dapat lang naman. Ang kakapal naman ng mukha nila. Sumasahod pa sila. Wala naman silang ginagawa. Patago-tago na lang. Pabakasyon-bakasyon. Yung isa nga dyan, di ba? Gusto magbakasyon ng 6 months. Ang tanong, pinayagan ba? Hintayin natin ang susunod na kabanata, mga kakabsat. Agoy. Siya. Yan lang po dito kay Miao Miao. Mag-next topic ulit tayo. Putragis. Again, sa problema ni Pulong na yan. Yun lang, Generals. Di ba nag-meeting na naman sila? Di ba? Tapos may nakita naman akong post ni Chavit Singson. Magkakasama sila ni Mandarahog, si Mandalulo, tsaka si Miao Miao. Andun sila sa pwesto ni Chavit Singson. Alam na this. 'Di ba? Kaka-upload lang kanina nakita ko. Ng kamote. Siya, next topic tayo. Putragis. Here we go. Countdown ulit tayo, Mabsat. Again, sa mga bagong pasok, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Here we go.